at these coloring book pages I created with this free AI tool. As you can see, these are really beautiful images. So I've been using this website to create images for my projects and even for my clients' work. But I was like, let me just try and create coloring book pages with this website. Like, the results blew my mind. Check this out, guys. You can see that these images are really beautiful. Like, they are so adorable and cute. Look at this. Check it out, guys. And you can see you can make a lot of money selling coloring book pages. So I'm so excited about this, and that is why I decided to share it with you guys. So in this video, I will show you how to create these images using a powerful free AI tool. And yes, you can actually sell these images commercially without any copyright issue. As you can see, their terms and conditions states that you own the images you create with this website, including the right to reprint, sell, and merchandise it, regardless of whether an image was generated through a free or paid credit. So you can see that you can actually sell these images without having any copyright issue. That said, let's get right in. Now, before I show you how to start creating these beautiful images, I'll first of all show you how to actually register on this website, and it's pretty easy to do. Just simply come over to Google and search for bing.com/create, and it's going to take you to this page. Now, if you already have a Microsoft account, just simply follow this particular step I'm about to show you. But if you don't have a Microsoft account, simply create your Microsoft account before coming over to this website. Now, all you need to do is for you to just describe what you want to create. So just paste in your prompt right here and click on join and create. Now, they'll prompt you to sign in with your account. You can see they asked me to put in my phone number or my email. So just put in the details you use to create your Microsoft account. But if you don't have a Microsoft account, simply create one by clicking on this link right here, create one. Then create your Microsoft account before coming over to follow the steps I just showed you right now. And once you're done with your registration, it's going to bring you to this page. To make this process very much understandable and easily digestible, I have gone ahead to create different coloring book pages. You can see them right here at the right hand corner. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to show you step by step how I actually created it and the prompts I used. So you can actually copy it and use the same prompt, or maybe twist it to fit your needs. Now, I strongly suggest you watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you how to clean up your coloring book pages to make it to be sales ready. So you can actually sell it on Amazon, on Etsy, and every other online marketplace where you can actually sell your coloring book pages. And once you follow these steps, I'm sure you'll be able to start making money with your coloring book pages. So let me go ahead and open these images. This is absolutely stunning, right? You can see these images is generated for me. This is so realistic and pretty cool, isn't it? Look at this coffee, look at the laptop, look at the journal. I think this is my favorite of all of them. This is really adorable. Now look at the prompt I used, a coloring page of an African-American woman at her desk writing on her journal with long hair and a white shirt that says "Dream Big" in black with holo text effects, and a laptop on her desk and coffee mug with hot tea. Like, it actually did what I asked it to do in the prompt. You can see the "Dream Big" on the white shirt, but the only thing is that it did not actually do the holo text effects. And you can actually do this on Canva, so it's not like it's a big problem. So these are the images it generated using those prompts. So let's open another image. You can see the prompt I used right here. A coloring page of an African-American woman in her beautiful kitchen, washing her plates at the sink, and a pot on her gas cooker and plates were arranged in her plate rack. You can see these are really adorable images. Let's open this one. So you can see the prompt I used right here. You can see that it's quite detailed and very visually attractive. And I think it's also hyper realistic. So let's just go through all the images. I absolutely love this one. So look at this one. You can see the prompt I actually used right here. You can see that this image is generated for me is actually close to the prompt. This is so beautiful, isn't it? Make sure you stick around till the end of this video. I'm going to show you how you're going to erase these crayons right here, and also how to erase the second one. I believe that these are really adorable, cute images which you can actually sell online. So look at this one also. For this, I asked you to create coloring book page of a happy kid holding a bunch of balloons. So you can see it right here. It gave me both the colored one and also the coloring page on. I think this one is very easy to cut out in Canva, and I think it's pretty cool. What do you think? You can see this one, still very cute, and then this one. So make sure you stay around to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to clean it up so that it will be ready for selling online. You can simply click here to download your image. and you can click here to customize it. Now, one more thing you really need to know is that it gives you like 15 boosts per day. And what this does is that it helps you to create images much more faster. But if you run out of your boosts, you can still generate images, but it might take a longer time. Now, once you've generated your coloring book pages, the next step will be for you to clean them up so that they will be ready for you to sell online. And to do that, we are going to be using Canva. Now, once you come over to Canva, just go to the search bar and type coloring pages. I'll go ahead and select any template of my choice. Now, what I will simply do is to just delete all these images. Now, once I've finished deleting all the images, the next thing I'm going to do is to import those coloring pages I just created into Canva. So I'll simply click on upload, then upload files. So before importing your image into Canva, you need to do one more step. And that step is to upscale your image to increase the quality of the image. And to do that, we're going to be using this website. I'll drop the link in the description below. So what we need to do is that we're going to click on select image, then click on start after you've added your image. So I'm going to go ahead and select 4 times, and then I'll click on OK and wait for it to actually perform the magic. Once you're done with upscaling it, simply download it. Remember, like I said before, what you're going to import into Canva is your upscaled images. Let me now show you how to clean your coloring book pages to make them ready for selling. So in order not to waste your time, I'm going to just use one image and show you an example on how to clean it up. So let's just go with this image right here. Now, if you look at this image, you will notice that the background of this image is not pure white. And we need to actually make it to be pure white. And to do that, we're going to remove the background of this image. So I'm just going to select this image, and then I'll go to edit photo. Then I'll click on background remover. Now, unfortunately, this background remover is only available in the pro version. But don't worry, even if you're using the free version of Canva, there is still a website where you can actually remove the background for free. And I'm going to show you that website before the end of this video. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Now, once you've removed the background, you will notice that there are still some unwanted images on this photo. So how are you going to remove these crayons and even these unwanted objects that are here? It's very simple to do. To do that, you're going to select the image. Then you still come over to edit photo, and this time around you are going to select magic eraser. And also, this particular feature is for the pro version, but don't worry, I'm still going to show you that website where you can do it for free. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you don't miss out on that particular free website. Just select the brush size you want to use. You can increase it or decrease it depending on what you want to erase. So for this crayon, I'm going to just go ahead and increase it so it will be faster for me. So I'm just going to come over here and then try to brush over this crayon so I can erase all of them. You can see what I'm doing right here. Now you can see that it has erased these crayons that are over here at the right hand side. You can still do the same on the left hand side and even delete all these objects over here to make your coloring book page to be clean. Now go ahead and erase everything just to save your time. Now once you are done, it will look something like this. So to make it even more visually appealing and very attractive, you can simply increase the size, and then we can add something like a box. So to do that, just simply come over to elements, and then we're going to select this square shape right here. Let me increase the size. I'm going to place it over here. Now I'm going to turn it into a hollow shape, and to do that, I'm just going to select color. Then I'll select this no color. I'll increase the border weight, and then it will turn out to be something like this. Then I can go ahead and add something like happy birthday. So I'll just go to text, and then I'll select this one right here, heading. Then I'll type happy birthday. Then I'm going to change this font type. Let me select this one. Increase the size. Then I'm going to reduce the line spacing. Now I will go to effects. I'll select this hollow. I can go ahead and increase the thickness, or let me just leave it as 50. You can see that even the letters can now be colored perfectly well. Now before I show you the last step, I'm going to show you 2 more free websites where you can actually do these things I showed you in Canva, in case you don't have the Canva Pro. Now I'm going to first show you the website where you can actually remove the background of your image for free. And that website is called remove.bg. So on this website, you can remove the background of your images free of charge. Just simply click here to upload your image, and then go ahead to remove the background of your image. Now the second website I'm going to show you is a website that can help you to remove unwanted objects on your image, and that website is called pickwish.com. So once you come over to this website, just simply go to features, and then you're going to come over to this place where it says photo retouch to remove unwanted objects from your images. And once we are done, you can simply go ahead and then download it. If you want to sell your coloring book page on Amazon, I've actually created a detailed video that showed you step by step on how to actually do your research on Amazon, how to get the correct book size, how to create your book cover. Click on the video on the screen right now to watch the next video, and I'll see you in the next video.